This is Bamnoli in Satara. What you can see is the Koyna backwaters, and today we are on the Vasota Trek. As we moved away from the shore and towards Vasota, the calm waters and the silence was something to witness in person, and not to forget the scenic views we were greeted with. To reach Vasota, one has to reach Bamnoli dockyard, which is an hour journey from Satara city. There are ST buses plying between Satara city and Bamnoli. Since I was coming from Mumbai, there were a lot of break journeys involved. So I decided to join a trekking group, Ramblers India, which took us directly to Bamnoli from Mumbai. It involved an overnight bus journey of around 7 hours. We reached in the morning and had our breakfast at Bamnoli. And then we took this 1.5 hour boat journey along the backwaters of Koyna to reach to the starting point of the Vasota Trek. Vasota is a easy trek and 80% of the trail is covered by forest. Hey, hi guys, it's around 12:08, so we are already on the top of Vasota, so it took us around 1.5 hours to reach here on the top. So we would have our lunch over here and then maybe descent, or we have some other plans. Let's see how it all goes. So you can see some beautiful scenery at the back there. That's the Koyna backwaters. So you can see all of us in this group here. After spending 2 hours on top of Vasota and visiting different places on it, we had our lunch and started our descent. Hey, hi guys, it's around 5 o'clock right now. So it took us just 1 hour to reach the base of Vasota. So we reached the base at around 3 o'clock, 3:15, 1 hour 15 minutes, and then we took the boat ride. So it took another 1.5 hours to reach here. So now currently it's 5. So overall it was a very good trek. It's an easy trek, and most of the route is through the jungle. So after this, now we'll be setting up our camps here along this backwaters and enjoy the night and then leave for Mumbai tomorrow. So hope you like the vlog. Do like, subscribe and comment.